In this video, we are going to cover the basics of putting in a tech work order. To get started, we must first access the tech work order site. We have two easy ways to get to the tech work order. The first is by clicking tech work order at the top of the Intranet home page. The other option is by going to the Technology section under the PPSB website. Once at the work order login page, click the Google SSO under Sign In With. Select your PPSB Google account from the Choose an Account dialog. If you have never logged into Google on this computer or have multiple accounts, you might have to add your PPSB Google account. At the main screen, click the New Ticket button. We will verify our name and location. If you need to submit a ticket on behalf of someone else, select the Edit Requester button. If the issue you are having is at a different location, select the Edit Location button. For this tutorial, I will demonstrate a ticket for having a hardware issue. I will first try to find my device by the serial number or assets tag. Using the serial number is the more reliable option of the two. The serial number is sometimes referred to as the computer name, service tag, or SN. Here are a few tips for finding the serial number. On Windows, your desktop wallpaper should show your serial number. To find the serial number on an iPad, select About under the General settings. The service tag on Dell desktops can be found on a sticker located on the side of the machine. On most laptop and Chromebooks, the serial number can be located on the bottom of the device. To display the serial number on Chromebooks, at the sign-in screen, press Alt and V on the keyboard. The serial number will display in the upper right corner. Sometimes the device will not be inventoried in the system. Since our device is not in the system, I will select my model instead. For our demonstration, the model is a Dell Latitude 3380 laptop. I am going to pick the category that best describes the type of issue I am having. Under the category, I will select the type of issue I am experiencing. Next, add a description, explain the issues. Being more descriptive is always helpful. Next, I will select my room. I can add extra location details such as on my desk, in a cart, on the back shelf. I can also leave this field blank. Here, we will add the device serial number. This is important if we did not select the device serial number earlier. Since my ticket does not contain any personal information of a student, I will select No. If my ticket had a student's name, student username, student ID, or any other identification, I would select Yes. This does not include if the student uses the device, but none of the other information was mentioned. When in doubt, it does not hurt to select Yes. We can also add a screenshot and other documents by clicking the Select file to attach. Remember, the more information you can provide in your ticket, the faster we can get it resolved. After we are done adding our info, click the Can Submit Ticket button. This will bring us to the ticket summary. Thank you for watching how to submit a tech work order.